In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a potion of poison in Minecraft. So the only ingredient you need for this potion is a spider eye. So we'll stick that in and then stick our awkward potions in. There'll be a card in the top right with a video on how to make awkward potions. And now that's brewed, we've got our potions. So these are for 45 seconds. But if you want to extend that, you can put some redstone dust in. And now that's brewed, it lasts 1 minute and 30 seconds rather than 45 seconds. If you want to upgrade that, you can put some glowstone dust in. And here we have poison 2. So this doesn't last as long as the normal potion, but it does more damage. If we want to change these into splash potions, just grab some gunpowder, stick it in the top, and let that brew. Now that's finished brewing, we can take our potions out. If I throw this on the floor, should be dealt some damage. As I'm in peaceful mode, it's not going to do much to me. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe.